Hello friends, welcome back to my channel. In today's video, I'll show you how to crochet this beautiful granny square. For materials, I have 3 different colors. All these are acrylic yarn, but you can use any types of yarn of your choice. And I'll be using a 5mm hook, a pair of scissors, and yarn needle. To begin the project, grab hold onto the end of the tail, make a measure circle. Wrap the yarn around the finger twice like this. Insert the hook under the first loop, pull through, twist, and yarn over, pull through the working yarn through the loop. Two chains, 1, 2, and this counts as a stitch. In the circle, place 15 double crochet, yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through the first 2 loops, and yarn over, pull through the last 2 loops. That's our second stitch. And again, double crochet, that's 3, 4, 5, make 15 double crochet until we have 16 stitches. Out of the 16 stitches, including the 2 chains, pull the tail to close the circle. Slip stitch into the top of the second chain. Pull through, 1 chain, cut yarn, round 2 is a color changing round. You can insert the new working yarn into any stitch, but I like to insert it away from the first stitch. About 6 stitches right here. This way I don't have to work with all the tails all at once. Insert the new working yarn, pull through, 1 chain, in the same stitch, single crochet. Feel free to place a marker. In the next stitch, place 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. In the next stitch, also 3 double crochet, 1, 2, and 3. In the next stitch, single crochet, and here comes the repeat. Single crochet in the next stitch, in the next stitch, 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. In the next stitch, also 3 double crochet, 1, 2, 3. Then single crochet in the next stitch. Repeat this 2 more times, total 32 stitches. At the end of round 2, slip stitch into the first stitch to join the round, 1 chain, in the same stitch, single crochet, in the next 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 stitches, place 2 double crochet in each, total 10 double crochet. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, and 10. In the next 2 stitches, single crochet 2 together. Insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop, and yarn over, pull through 3 loops. And here's the repeat. Single crochet in the next stitch, followed by placing 2 double crochet in the next 5 stitches. 1, and 10. Then single crochet 2 together. Insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, insert into the next stitch, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Repeat this 2 more times, total 48 stitches. At the end of round 3, slip stitch into the first stitch, 1 chain, cut yarn. To begin round 4, change into the next color, and we're going to count 6 stitches from the first stitch. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is where we're going to insert the new working yarn. Pull through, two chains. In the same stitch, place a double crochet, 2 chains. In the next stitch, 2 double crochet, 1, 2, followed by half double crochet into the next 4 stitches. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, pull through 3 loops. Again, 2, 3, and last one, 4. Over here, half double crochet 2 together. Yarn over, insert, yarn over, pull up a loop, yarn over, insert into the next stitch, yarn over, pull up a loop. We now have 5 loops on the hook, yarn over, pull through 5 loops. In the next 4 stitches, half double crochet, 1, 2, 3, and 4. In the next stitch, double crochet, and another double crochet in the same stitch, 2 chains, 1, 2. In the next stitch, 2 double crochet, we just completed one side of the square. And the space here, this is part of the corner. And now we're going to repeat from the beginning, half double crochet into 4 stitches, 1, 2, 3, 4, then half double crochet 2 together. Alright, I will not go on to repeat the rest of it, and I'll see you at the end of the round. At the end of round 4, slip stitch into the first stitch, which is the top of the second chain. Two chains. In the next stitch, double crochet. In the chain space here, 2 double crochet. 1, 2, 2 chains, 1 and 2. Then 2 more double crochet, 1 and 2. Followed by placing a double crochet into the next 13 stitches until the next chain space. And repeat this all the way around, and I meet you at the end of round 5. At the end of round 5, after the last stitch, cut yarn with a yarn needle, insert into not the top of the 2 chain, but the next stitch. Then insert into the back loop of the previous stitch. And lastly, within the tail. And that's all for today. Thank you for watching, and I'll see you in my next video. Bye!